to be strong, to improve and carry on. I can't see myself weak, touchable for emotional treat. I didn't ask for you to step into my life and change the view on this world that I constructed. Well, it's a private place and I just locked it. It wasn't really meant to be for someone to find the key, but now I'm caught up in the sea. All I want is you to disappear. Leave me alone when you're not here, cause it gets so close when you're not near. Just leave me alone when you're not here, cause it gets so close when you're not near. If you think that we could turn around and walk back to the yesterdays that we once had, then you don't realize that we caught up in a trap of our advice. And after all these